Here is an electromagnetic antifreeze car snow removal device review. As you can see, when you check on an online shopping, it has a different species or features or even bands. So let's go ahead and check the first. So this is the antifreeze electromagnetic car snow removal device. So as you can see, it prices as $6.43, which is actually very cheap for a electromagnetic car snow removal. As you can see, it actively reduces snow and can also help you out to resolve the problems on snow such as field of view blocking, car snow, engine icing, and frosting of the side mirrors. It also have active electrons that makes your car heat when there is a snow. As you can see, the item is only two sold and there are more than 10 available because this is on demand. So if you're looking for electromagnetic car snow removal, this is the right one for you.